Are you wondering what's happening in the Calgary real estate market this summer? Stay tuned to discover the latest trends and opportunities for buyers and sellers in August of 2024. Hello Calgary. As we move into August, let's take a look back at the real estate trends that stood out here in July of 2024. This last month has seen some noteworthy changes and trends that offer both opportunities and insight for buyers and sellers alike. July saw a total of 2,380 sales with 3,604 new listings entering the market, bringing our sales to new listing ratio to 66%. This increase in listings has helped inventory levels rise to 4,185 units, a significant improvement, but still below typical July levels by 33%. The inventory boost is a shift away from the extreme seller market conditions we experienced earlier this year. We're still facing supply challenges, especially for lower price homes. More options in both new and resale markets have eased some of the upward pressure on prices. As inventories continue to rise, we anticipate more balanced market conditions and price stability in the coming months. Detached home sales in July fell by 8% compared to last year with 1,098 sales. This decline was primarily due to limited availability in a lower price range, although homes priced above $600,000 saw a 15% rise in sales. The benchmark price for detached homes was $767,800, reflecting an 11% year-over-year increase. Semi-detached homes continue to attract buyers due to their relative affordability, although sales slowed slightly to 200 units. Year-over-year sales are up by 6%, and the benchmark price reached $787,900, nearly 12% higher than last year, with highest growth in the Northeast and East districts of Calgary. In the row and townhome market, we saw 423 sales that were recorded, with a notable rise in new listings to 578. The benchmark price is $464,200, up 15% from last year. Increased inventory has slowed the pace of price growth, providing more options for buyers in this segment. Apartment sales dropped to 659 units, influenced by a significant reduction in sales for properties priced below $300,000. However, the increase in listings to 1,043 units have pushed the inventory levels up, giving buyers more choice. The benchmark price for apartments stood at $346,300, a 17% increase year over year. The showing activity in Calgary has been robust across all price ranges. Homes priced between $500,000 and $600,000 saw the highest showing activity in the marketplace, with an average of 10.19 showings per listing. This was followed by homes priced between $600,000 and $700,000, which saw an average of 9.39 showings per listing. These levels of interest indicate a strong buyer demand in these price segments. I'll also note that it is incredibly important when you are a seller that you allow the market to get through your product or your home, because again, you want to ensure that you expose your home to the entire market, and this is why we're adamant on not selling your house on day one. Clearly, in these two price ranges that we just indicated, there's a lot of activity and interest, and homes in this price range can expect to go relatively fast, sometimes in a few days. So if you are looking to buy in this price range, make sure that you're fully prepared before you head out to go shopping. The financial landscape is also shifting. Canada's 5-year government bond rates have dropped here in the last week, and it's expected to continue to drop. This is expected to lead to lower 5-year mortgage rates offered by banks. This reduction in mortgage rates presents a fantastic opportunity for buyers who are looking to enter the market, and perhaps sellers who are aiming to attract more offers. The financial landscape is also shifting. Canada's 5-year government bond rates have dropped, which is expected to lead to lower 5-year mortgage products offered by the banks. This reduction in mortgage rates presents a fantastic opportunities for both buyers who are looking to enter the market and sellers aiming to attract more offers. Additionally, volatility in the stock markets and discussions around a potential recession in the US and globally is impacting consumer confidence. However, the growing inventory levels in Calgary real estate market mean more opportunities for buyers and potentially a stabilization in home prices. The last several years has been a very dynamic and fast-moving market here in Calgary, where many home buyers have had to make a decision as they're reaching for the door handle to exit the home, whether this is a home to make an offer on. And it has also limited many sellers from putting their house up for sale because they haven't found the next home in which they want to move to. A more balanced market is on the horizon with more inventory entering the market, which will allow both buyers and sellers to have more time to make informed decisions that can impact their families. In summary, July 2024 has brought a mix of challenges and opportunities for the Calgary real estate market. For sellers, now may be a good time to list your property with increased buyer interest and lower favorable rates on the horizon, and at the same time for sellers to actually find the next home they want to move to. Again, it also depends on what your current circumstances are, because I would say this is now a good time to sell. Well, that really depends on your circumstances and needs. This is why it's important to meet with us for a free, no obligation consultation to see what the current value of your home is in today's market, and to see if, again, the strategies that we can use to get you into your next home. Now, if you're a buyer, the rising inventory levels offer more choices and potentially more negotiating power for buyers. With also the lower bond rates that are now out there, it's going to mean that we're going to have lower fixed rate mortgage rates available to the buyers. So this is, again, some welcoming news for buyers who are looking to enter the market, and or potentially for the people who are looking to move up into their dream home. So stay tuned for more updates. And if you're looking to buy or sell, the Justin Havre real estate team with eXp Realty is here to help you navigate this ever-changing real estate market. Visit justinhavre.com or call us for a free, no obligation consultation at 403-217-0003. If you want to have more real estate news and or stay up to date on what's going on in the real estate world, make sure that you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as we're constantly updating to bring you more valuable content.